Hello guys! In a previous video I repainted this floppy drive here. I linked the video in the video description below. In the comments I was told that the color of the badge does not match with the metallic blue. I realized that afterwards as well, because somehow the metallic blue didn't match with the original badge color from Commodore. And I want to change this old badge from Commodore with this one here, and I think the color fits much more better to the blue. What do you think? Huh? Write it in the comment. Huh? So after removing the old badge and cleaning the glue area again with WD-40, I will stick the new badge to the floppy drive. What should I do with the old badge now? I don't know. Again, more WD-40 here. Oops, that's the wrong way. Damn. So, and here we are. What do you think? Do you think that this badge fits better to the color now? Thanks a lot for watching, and see you next time.